that's I mean, one question I have for you is, what do you think the people who study attention did that broke them into the mainstream? Because attention didn't used to be what it is now, and now it's considered just like another area. And the rise of the people who study attention is kind of an interesting comparison, I think, to what's happening with consciousness studies. So what do you think, though? I mean, if you agree with me, I don't know. I think you do. I'm not sure.
I have a, if you do a Google, what's called Ngram, or what's that? You search the frequency of words in books. I once searched it. It's like very clear that they used to be similar. You should be sort of with visual attention and visual awareness. You can see that the attention at some point pulled away from us. Yeah.
So what do you think that people who are working in that area, I mean, if you have any comments, what do you think they did which set them on that trajectory and might offer people in our area a kind of guiding stone or something?
Yeah, I think it's really two explosions. The first one probably is broadband. So it's really the idea that they took some ideas from cognitive science. So Donald Broadbent, of course, is one of the founding fathers of cognitive science, and all those like box and arrow diagrams, all this stuff is, I think, he's one of the pioneers for that. The idea is to take some simple analogy from computer science or signal processing. And so Broadbent, of course, studied like radar operators and how they do tasks and stuff. So he had the attention filter theories, basically from all these like signal and channels and gating and stuff. So take some simple concepts and don't go too crazy with the math. Just do some experiments and be empirical, have some concepts that are simple and clear. And that exploded. And then, of course, Broadbent trained tradesmen, and then tradesmen took the theory a bit further. Again, none of this was very technical. It's simple ideas, do the experiment right, control your confounds, eat your vegetables, that kind of approach. And then just like do it right. And that exploded again. Some good ideas. And then Lily Levy took it a bit further, and it went further. And then I think in the 90s, what really happened too was after a few decades of this continuous growth in psychology, then in cognitive psychology, the electrophysiologists start to get interested. So I mean, on top of it, especially the neurophysiologists, the animal models, the single neuron guys, got interested, and that just exploded. Then it took over, the whole field of neuroscience, because people realized you can study this kind of really high-level cool stuff at the single neuron circuit level. Then it just exploded.